Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 2. The story name is Jadav and the Tree Place, written by Vinayak Verma. Before starting the chapter, I want to give you some basic information regarding the story Jadav and the Tree Place. It's a story of a man named Jadav Paing who belongs to Assam and is popularly known as the Forest Man of India. Jadav and the Tree Place is a story of Molai Forest, which is named after the nickname of Jadav Paing, and it is in Majuli Island, which is the largest river island in the world, and it lies in the river Brahmaputra. Nowadays, this Majuli Island is covered by the Molai Forest. So in this chapter, we'll come to know why Jadav Paing is known as the Forest Man of India and what was the reason of creating the Molai Forest and how we start the journey of creating a Molai Forest. So let us read the chapter. One day, 16-year-old Jadav Paing was walking along the banks of the Brahmaputra. He reached a big, empty place with no trees. It was hot and dry. The sand was powdery and striped. Striped land? How could sand be striped? Jadav went closer. The ground was covered with snakes. The flood had brought them to the banks. The snake did not hiss or move or try to bite Jadav. Poor snakes. They had died of the heat. If only they had some shade to lie in. If only this no tree place had some trees in it, thought Jadav. The dead snakes made him very sad. He wanted to do something so that no more animals would die like this. He ran back to his village and collected all the bamboo shoots he could carry in his bag. Most plants wouldn't grow in the hot sand, but bamboo would. So here in the paragraph, starting paragraph, so this is a boy, a teenager boy, 16 years old, Jadav Paing, who is walking along the bank of the Brahmaputra. So here the meaning of the bank. So the meaning of the bank is the land on the side of a river. Jadav Paing, who was walking along the bank of the great Brahmaputra river and finally arrived at a big empty no tree place. So the place was empty and it was without tree. It was very hot and dry place and the sand was powdery and striped. So from the far, the sand was looking very powdery and striped. But when he come closer to the spot, he find that the ground was covered with the snakes. So the snakes has been come because of the flood that had brought them to the bank. So here we will see the meaning of the flood. What is the meaning of the flood? So flood is when a lot of water cover land that is usually dry, we say there is a flood. So lots of water means excess of water. Excess of water in a dry land. That is the situation come and it is called as फ्लड. हिंदी में इसको फ्लड को बोलते हैं बाढ़, यानी कि एक ऐसे सूखी जगह पे जहाँ पे अत्यधिक मात्रा में पानी का बहाव आ जाए, पानी आ जाए, तो उसको बोलते हैं बाढ़, यानी कि फ्लड. सो मे बी दिस फ्लड हैज़ लेट द स्नेक्स कम टू दिस bank and Jadav was finding that this snake was just piled in the ground. They were just laying and there's no movement, nor they were trying to bite Jadav. Maybe this poor snakes are died, the snakes are died and they had died because of the heat, because the place is very dry. And as this is the Majuli island, it's a very barren island, empty island, and there is a no tree. No tree means there is a no shade at all, and the direct sun rays has been there, so these snakes had been died. So by seeing the spot like this, that snakes were laying died, and the place is looking very dry and empty, and there were no tree at all, this made Jadhav very sad, that these poor snakes were laying died, and the place was looking very barren. Barren means what? Means such land which was of no use, there is no plant. So this make the Jadhav very sad, and in his mind now it started something going on, that he wanted to do something so that no more animals would die, like the snakes has been died now because of the heat and because of there's no shade. So now he started to think something, that he wanted to do something for these animals, for these poor animals, so that no more animals could die in the heat and in this barren island. So he ran back to his village and collected all the bamboo shoots he could carry in his bag. So here the meaning, shoots. So the shoot means the part of the plant that comes out of the soil when a plant started to grow. A part of the plant that comes out of the soil when a plant starts to grow. In normally we can say that when a new branch come out of when a new branch come out of a seed, that is called shoot. So he now he has planned to do something for this barren island. So he ran away to the village and he carried the bamboo shoots in his bag, because he was aware that in this barren island it is very difficult to grow something, and so he that what in this barren island he could grow, and he was aware that bamboo is a bamboo plant could maybe it will be able to survive there, because no plants would not grow in the hot sand. Jadhav brought the shoots to the no tree place and started planting them everywhere. It was hard work in the hot sun, and it took years. The river grew thin one summer and flooded the next, sometimes bringing more sand and sometimes taking it away. Heavy rains came and went, but Jadhav kept planting trees. So here in this paragraph we are seeing that Jadhav brought as much as seed in his bag, and he started to grow the bamboo shoots everywhere in this island to this no tree place. And it is very not an easy work to do, because it was a barren place, no shade at all. So it was very hard to do work in the hot sun, and it was not a 1 day work or 2 day work, because he had to work for so many years for that. And sometimes he would find that river grew thinner one summer, and sometimes it flooded, sometimes it bring more sand to the place, and sometimes it is taking it away. Sometimes heavy rain would come and went, and all these things were just going on, but Jadhav was still planting the tree. Means he was fixed in his plan, he was fixed in his mind that he have to grow something, he have to grow, he have to make this no tree place into a green place. The bamboo grew slowly. As it grew, it brought shade, and the shade brought insect. The insect burrowed into the ground, and the soil under the bamboo tree began to change. Over the years, the dry and the white soil become rich brown soil. So after planting the bamboo shoots there everywhere in the no tree place, what Jadhav has faced so many problems there. There's the problem of the hot, that it was very hot there, hot place it was, and also the climate is not the same. Sometime it was very it was very summer, and sometime it was flooded also. So the bamboo started growing slowly, it started to grow, and as it grew, it brought the shade, and shade brought the insect. So the first thing which come into the barren island after the shoot was insects. So the insect started to burrow into the ground. So here the word burrowed means to make a hole in the ground. So now what is the work of this insect? When the insect come to the this island, they started, this insect burrowed into the ground, means they started to make hole in the soil, and the soil under the bamboo tree began to change. As it was a barren island, and the soil was very not fertile there, and it would have certain take some times. When the insect has come there, it started to hold the ground, and the soil started to work, and the bamboo trees began to change. Over the year, the dry soils, which the soils were very dry earlier, now the dry white soil has been turned into the rich brown soil. Jadav was no longer sad, but he wasn't happy either. He looked around his small group of bamboo trees and thought, a few tree place is nice, I know, but how wonderful it would be if this were a many trees place. So after working so many years, and he has seen the progress also, that the soils has been now changed because of the insect there. The white sand soils has been turned into brown soils, and the bamboo shoots have now become a plant, and it started to grow. But he was not happy so much from inside, because when he looked around, he saw a group of bamboo trees, and a few tree place is nice, I know, but he wanted that this few tree place would become a many tree place. So what did he do next? So Jadav went back to his village and began collecting more seeds and young trees. Now that the few tree place had lovely brown soil, he could plant different kind of tree. So the work he had done earlier, that first of all he plant the bamboo shoot there, and after that there is the arrival of insect there, and the insect has helped the soil to become fertile. And after that, a plan come in his mind that this few tree place, he wanted to convert this few tree place into a so many tree place. So what did he do? He again went back to his village, and he started to collect so many seeds and young trees, and so that he could plant different kind of tree there. Jadav brought his new sapling and seeds to the few tree place and planted them all around. It was hard work. His back hurt, and it took many years. Villages become towns, river become grey, but Jadav insect friends helped till the soil, and his tall bamboos gave him shade and cooled the air, and Jadav kept planting trees. So in this paragraph you will see that Jadav, when he brought more new saplings and sit to the few tree place, and he planted there all around, but it was not very easy task, na? So it was a very hard work, because it was taking so many years to see the progress there, and progress was also the stepwise progress. So it was very hard works, and it took so many years, and so many years he had saw so many changes there. The village has become towns, the river become grey, and but still there is no change. The change that was not that his Jadav insect friend, who was still tilling the soil. Here the word till means to prepare the soil for growing the crops. Means this insect, his friend insect, were still growing the were still tilling the soil, means preparing the soil for growing the crops. And his tall bamboo gave him shade. So now this the initial plant which he had planted there were bamboo now. So now the bamboo plants had now become a very big tree, tall tree, and the work of this bamboo is now to give the shade, provide the shade to the Jadav, and it cool the air there. It cool the environment there. But still Jadav is continuing the planting the trees. So students, this is for today. We'll be continuing with this chapter tomorrow. So it is now task for you that you have to go through the story, and you have to read the story twice and go through the new words, its meaning, so that you can understand the meaning of the new words and the vocabulary. So thank you. Good day.